Hey everyone, thank you for checking out the Volt Lifeproof Grooming YouTube channel. My name is Dan C. Bearded. I'm a content creator right here on YouTube, and I love to help make some content for this great company. And today, I want to talk about seasonal change in beard care and some things that you may want to take into consideration when it comes time to groom your beard. First though, real quick, if you guys could, hit a thumbs up on the video. That's always appreciated by any content creator. So, let me give you some kind of general rules as when this video is getting posted. I'm in Michigan and we're shifting from the winter time to the warmer springtime. Generally speaking, once you get warmer and more humid, you want to use a little bit less beard oil. As it gets drier and colder, you want to likely use a little bit more beard oil. You will see this as you start to try and fight that humidity. You're not going to need as much nourishment on the skin or the hair, so you dial that back a little bit. If you use too much, it's going to be a little bit greasy, it's going to be a little bit wild. Just take it down a notch. Now, while you're taking the beard oil down a notch, you're probably going to increase things like your water intake. You're also going to increase the amount of times that you wash your beard. Once you have more humidity and sweat and dirt and just active lifestyle when it's warmer and nicer out, you want to clean that beard even more. But just understand, as the seasons change, whether it's where you're living or if you travel and move or go on vacation and you experience those different seasons or climates, your beard is going to change as well, greatly in some situations. You may see things like increased shedding, meaning more hairs are falling out than normal. That's okay. Don't worry about it. Don't stress about it. That's going to happen. It may style differently. It may have a different texture to it. It may feel dry and itchy. It doesn't mean that anything is wrong. You just got to make those necessary adjustments. And again, as we're entering those warm months, consider dialing it back a little bit. Sometimes people be like, man, my beard's just not styling as well. It doesn't feel as good. It could be that season change while your products are staying the same. Those little tiny adjustments can make all the difference in the world for the enjoyment, the feel, and the style of your beard. Now, good products have you covered. You still want to use good products. You still want to go to your favorite companies. Volt Lifeproof Grooming's oil is fantastic for any climate. You just got to figure out how much you should be using. So, what questions do you guys have? What thoughts do you have? Have you experienced seasonal change? Leave a comment down below. Volt will get back to you guys. We appreciate it all here. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys check out the other videos on this channel and consider subscribing if you have not already.